want to talk about cherry. It's so delicious food, and it's the cherry, and I like this cherry so much. I can eat it also, and it is sugar, and it's the sugar, and it's red also. And world people like our Gilgit-Baltistan cherry. It's thick also, and I like our cherry. Our cherry trees are so big. I like our cherry trees, and I like cherry to eat it. It's so tasty. If you like it, come from your village and come Gilgit-Baltistan and eat. No anyone will tell you don't eat it. Anyone will not tell you. Come our Gilgit-Baltistan and eat. And when you like our cherries, please like and subscribe our channel also. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी ये इंग्लिश अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना ना भूलना, ताकि मैं और भी मज़े मज़े की गुलाबी इंग्लिश बोलूँ। बड़े मज़े की है। आप लोगों ने भी खाना तो हमारे गिलगित बाल्टिस्तान आओ, ठीक है।